Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're asked which of the following statements is true about the graph of the equation 2y minus 3x is equal to negative 4 in the xy plane. And our options are talking about the slope and the y-intercept. So to find information about these, we have to get into slope-intercept form. Y is equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So if this value m is positive, then it's going to be a positive slope, negative, it'll be a negative slope. And if this value b is positive, it'll be a positive y-intercept. And if it's negative, there's going to be a negative y-intercept. So just rewriting this here, 2y minus 3x is equal to negative 4. We want to get y on its own is equal to everything else. So we can do that by adding 3x to both sides. These will cancel, and we get 2y is equal to negative 4 plus 3x, or 3x minus 4. Doesn't matter which way you put them, but I like putting the x first because then it'll match up with y is equal to mx plus b. And then we want to get the y on its own, so we divide both sides by 2. These cancel, and you get y is equal to 3/2 x minus 4 over 2 is 2. So in the form of slope-intercept form, where we have y equals mx plus b, the coefficient of x, the m, the slope, is positive, and the b value, negative 2, is negative, so it's a negative y-intercept. Which of the options does this line up with? Positive slope, negative y-intercept is going to be D.